Good morning, class. I'm not going to be here because of golf today. Good news is golf is almost over. We got one full week left. The bad news, I'll be back every day. If you take a look at today's folder, it's folder number 17. So it'd be Monday, September 30th or Tuesday, October 1st. We're going to be working through the folder like we normally do. We're going to just start working on this, continue working on this idea of DNA, RNA, and protein. Today we're going to introduce a little bit about mutations. Watch these two videos. So these are two really pretty good videos. First video, second video, they're short. They're very short, a couple minutes long. Take a look at this sickle cell mutation video. This is just the first worksheet you're going to look at. I'll show you what it looks like. When you open up the first one called sickle cell mutation, you'll get this. You're simply going to be working down through this. It says making a normal chain, beta chain of hemoglobin, the sequence below. So you're going to be converting, it's asking you to do replication here. So remember replication, you're going to have apples go with tacos, and camels go with grapes. And then as you get down here, remember that you're going to be making messenger RNA. And so you're going to be taking the DNA and turning it into this DNA and turning it into messenger RNA. Once you get your messenger RNA, you're going to turn this into your amino acid sequence so that you know what the protein is. You'll do this again down here, and you're going to see that there's going to be some kind of a change that occurs. Okay, so first you're going to replicate, then you're going to transcribe, and then you're going to translate. Okay, so I'll show you how this works real quick. If you take a look at G and DNA, so what does it go with? You're just going to match it up. So G goes with C, T goes with A, G goes with C, G, T, G. Just going 3 letters at a time. G, A, C, T, G, A, G, G, A, C, T, C, C, T, C. Now I'm going to use the DNA I just wrote down to make the RNA. So CAC, if I convert that, remember that apples go with umbrellas, camels still go with grapes. So if I have C in DNA, that means in RNA I'm going to have a G. A is going to go with U. C is going to go with G. G is going to go with C. T is now still going with A. G is going with C. C, apples go under umbrellas, and G. T goes with A, G goes with C, apples go under umbrellas. C, C, apples under umbrellas. G, A, G, G, A, G. Now that I have the messenger RNA, I'm going to use the codon wheel to figure out what my amino acids are. So using the codon wheel, I start GUG. I'm looking at GUG, the mRNA that I just made. So I start in the middle, G, work to the next line, U, and G gives me VAL. Again, CAC, C, start in the middle, work to the next line, A and C gives me histidine, HIS. Okay, so you're going to finish this out and your amino acids, and then you're going to do it down here for the mutation, and you're going to see what happens. Answer a couple questions at the bottom, and you're good to go on this worksheet. The last thing we're going to work on today is this thing called genes, DNA, and codons. It's in your folder. You're going to be doing the same thing. Make sure you read these instructions carefully. You're going to be turning the DNA that's given into RNA and then the amino acid sequence, and then you're going to compare those two. Work your way through this. This will be due next time.